In this video, I'll show you how to upload shorts on YouTube from PC. This video is only for educational purposes only, so make sure you watch what I'm going to show you in this video. Now at first, what you need to do, you need to have a vertical video that is, I think, 9.6, right? Or 9.16. So it should be in the vertical form. So click on this create. So click on upload video. Click on select files. So I'm going to go to, I think I currently have a video that is vertical. So make sure the video is in a vertical form or shape. So this one of my video is in vertical style. So I'm going to click on it. I'm going to click on upload. So I'm going to wait for it to load up. So after this, you're going to enter the required details needed here. Enter this. So make sure you enter all this required, right? So I'm going to just keep it, let me say in private for now, because I want to show you guys something. I'm going to click on save. So I'm going to wait for it to load up. So it's currently uploading. It's currently uploading. So for you to be able to know that you just uploaded a short video on your channel from PC, what you need to do, click on this content. Once you click on it, you're going to be able to see shorts here. Right, you're going to be able to see shorts. So click on shorts. So the video I just uploaded just came out here, right here on my studio. So this is how I can be able to upload shorts on YouTube from your PC. If you found this video helpful, share your thoughts below in the comment section. Thank you all for watching. I will see you all in the very next video.